Alright! So today, papanoorin natin yung performance ni Master Philip live at NBA Rising Star Invitation. Pasensya nyo ako, medyo ilong ko kasi umiyak si Tanga. Kakapanood ko lang ng hayop na performance ni Pablo sa Wish Bus. Kung hindi pa papanood yung hayop na yun, hayop na performance. Hindi si Pablo yung hayop pa. Yung kinanta niya yung hayop na kanta na naman na nagpaiyak sa akin nung una pang punyetang yun, The Boy Who Cried Wolf. Don't listen to it if you're sad, man. That's yung payo ko sa inyo. And thank you so much for requesting this to me. Yung performance ni Philip sa NBA Rising Star Invitation. NBA Rising Star Invitation. Hindi ko alam kung ano yun, boy. Pero all I care for here is Philip. At ang pagkakaalam ko, hindi si Pablo. Pero nasa sidelines siya to support his brother. And yeah, may performance siya dito. Kaya maraming salamat sa nag-request. And if you want to request anything, especially if it's, kakalabas lang, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell para ma-update kayo kung kailan lalabas yung mga gusto nyong videos. No? Maraming salamat pala mga master. So, let's watch this. Philip at NBA Rising Star. Alright? NBA Rising Star. Naglaro kaya siya dito? Mukhang naglaro ata siya dito, no? Record that. Let's go.
Our Rising Stars! Everybody, give it up for the all-rounder P-Pop Rising Star!
By the way, thank you palagi kay Theo Nikki Fancams. Palaging siya yung magaganda yung fancams. Grabe, 4K talaga usually. Maraming salamat, Master Theo Kiniki, sa fancam mo. Okay, so yeah, you have to appreciate yung mga effort na.
Philip!
7C siya dito. Grabe, may pa-spot. Paano gulalak? Gogi, grabe intro, man! Ganito yung intro niya sa 7-6. Ay, ang angas ng stage, boy! Oh my gosh, man! Kita nyo na, intro pa lang, boy. Alam mo na, top notch yung production. Alam mo nang ibang level to ngayon, man. OPM is on another level, bruh. Hayop ka yan. Let's go. Lalak ba? Ano ba? I got a lot of those. Kulang sa echo, men. Walang echo. Yun! Yan yung echo.
A reflection of my past. I know that you've been doing yeah, she go crazy on the toes. Walking my feel up. Nigga, the hung on the door, I don't give a fuck, yeah. Got me paved different way. Roll the bandanas again, I didn't want to pull it.
Sa tingin ko si Philip lang yung tinatanggap ko talagang mumble rap, man. Kahit di ko na siya maintindihan eh. Sobrang yung angas, yun kasi sabi ni Philip eh. Inyuhanan niya yung lyricism diha. Ayun sabi niya, oh sige, lyricism. Yeah, sige, sa inyo na yan. Pero yung actual lyrics, if you know it, is nice. And yung talagang, yung angas nung pagkanta niya is more than enough para i-cover yun. Siya lang yung tatanggapin kung ganun, boy. Yung kahit hindi ko maintindihan, okay lang, boy. Ganun. Sa tingin ko, mas gusto ko tong buhok ni Ken dito kumpara dun sa... Hindi man, maganda din kasi yung braids niya na pula nung Seven Sins concert niya. Pero iba din yung dating ng blonde na Ken eh. Ang angas, pati kasi yung kilay niya, blonde din eh. Parang ano talaga, parang akma-akma sa Seven Sins, parang ganun. Ito na yung pinakahayo pre, pagka mga sayaw-sayaw na ni Ken, animal. I think Ken is one of the smoothest pagdating sa sayaw. One of the smoothest when it comes to break dancing and yung mga smooth dances. Sobrang chill niya lang pag sumayaw, pero napakasarap tingnan. Napakasarap? Napakasarap pala, buddy. Naririnig ko yung sigaw ng mga babae. Oh! May pakaldag, boy!
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit!
Damn!
Oh shit! Bitch, you got him all fucking me.
Woo!
So
go and say,
I'm so far, boy.
what was the Celine?
Be about the face, you must put it.
Oh shit! Yeah, I got Prada on my feet.
Yeah, got my head up on the collar, yeah. I'm about to pass out, yeah. Hold up, wait a minute. I'm a bad boy, so wait a minute. I can press to turn me stronger.
I've been waiting for that part. Yung talagang yung naririnig ko sa backing vocals, yung mababa, yun din yung kantahin niya, and he did it live. Ganda ng pakinggan, man.
Balenciaga, Prada on my feet. Yeah, got my head up on the collar, yeah. I'm about to pass out, yeah. Hold up, wait a minute. I'm a bad boy, so wait a minute. I can press to turn me stronger. Yeah, gonna need me. him up if it's getting feeling. Cause I don't care about your feelings.
I don't care about your feeling, man. Yan talaga yung pinaka-goal, boy. To do what you love, to do your shit, and don't care about what people say. That's the goal, man. And we did it. Let's go.
But you got a motherfucking me. Bought a ticket just to call you son. I'm too fly, boy. Boy, boy.
Oh, shit. Galing talaga mo. Freestyle yan dyan, no? Freestyle yan dyan, walang dance move eh. EXO! It's not about you.
Look into my eyes. I don't want us to die. I just wanna be by your side. You can take all my time. My time is my life. My life will come in time. Tell me where you take my life this time. I'm feeling like I'm dead. What you do? If you don't wanna stay, I wanna go. I know you. I stopped looking back at you for a minute. I lost track. Pull me back up.
Live yung high note na yun, no? Natawa ako kasi naalala ko lang bigla na yung mga lalaki sa kanya nababakla eh. Alam pag tinanong mo yung mga, kunwari 18 yung mga girls, no? Pag tinanong mo sino yung trip ng mga boyfriends nila na hindi 18, palaging si Philip yung sagot. Si Maangas, man. Siya yung mga gusto namin, boy. Okay. Woo! With the mic! I don't wanna see ya.
Take my breath away, feeling lost today. I don't wanna see ya. I don't wanna see ya. Keep going, but these days I just don't know what I do. Tell me that you're coming back. You're all that I have.
Hala, may ano sila?
Shit in my camera.
Dapat yung mga, ito yung mga cherished part ko ng kanta ni Ken. When he does that, those kinds of low notes, yung talagang sinasabayan na talaga yung backing vocals na mababa din. They should cut that part, yung backing vocals, para talagang ma-appreciate kung gaano siya kagaling dun sa actual voice na mababa. Ganun kababa yun. Sayang men. Para siyang hindi kumakanta ng live tuloy kasi ang lakas ng backing mo. Pero rinig na rinig yung boses niya eh. Mahina lang talaga, boy. Dapat kinat na nila doon, no, yung mga low notes na ano, para ma-highlight yung totoong boses niya ng live. Sayang yung mga lunos niya na mga ganda. Yan o. Oh, extended pa eh. Sayang eh. Oh. Damn! With that exit! What? With that phenomenal exit. Parang may image rin. I'm just one of them. Parang biglang nawala, parang shadow lang, no? Angas naman. That was definitely an experience. By the way, I've experienced one of his concerts, the Seven Sins album concert. And all I can say is, it's definitely a different experience. Definitely new to me, and because this is not my shit. I'm typically a hip-hop guy. I'm more of a lyricism guy. I'm more of a reggae hip-hop kasi yung genre ko talagang pinakagusto. Pero Philip is an exception because he definitely has his own kind of shit. Alam mo, may sarili siyang music, man. And hindi ko man masyadong trip, pero gusto ko yung kanta niya. Pero ang sinasabi ko, hindi ko man trip yung ganun genre, pero he's definitely on top of that shit. You know what I mean? Kung trip mo yung genre niya yun, I know that you will go for that. Alam mo, magiging paborito mo yun. Ganun yung sinasabi ko. Pero Seven Sins is definitely an experience, man. It's a wonderful experience. So, congratulations. So, happy birthday to you. Joke lang. Ay, nako, man. Yung pagbulol sa channel, baka maging trademark na. Dead. Congratulations again to Philip, man. Definitely. I mean, namimiss ko na yung mga kanta niya, yung mga kanako. Alam mo yun, yung mga irang ganun. Namimiss ko na yung what the fuck. May yung mga kinanta niya sa Japan, before Seven Sins. Sana, marinig ko siya kumanta pa nun, no? Please, kasi. Yung mga, ano ba yung kanta niya? Yung may music video. Fake faces come and go. Mga ganun. Tapos ano doon, no? Naka-earbuds ako, baka yung tono ko mali. Pero, congratulations to our Master Philip. The theme, the production, his face, the body. Ha? Masaya ang 18, di ba? Okay, so, that's it, man. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please subscribe. Maraming salamat and do share para makilala tayo ng iba yung mga tropa and you know, ma-appreciate na lang na may mga ganito masa. So, Pacific, patapos na eh, ha? Ingay mo yan. Thank you.